Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. Apple's iPhone 14 Pro is said to be the phone that could shake up the iPhone range by bringing in many different designs from the iPhone 13 Pro. We are expecting it to be launched at the Apple September event, which is scheduled for September 7th, which means we have only a few weeks to go before we see it for real. In the face of stiff competition from the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Google Pixel 7, it looks like Apple will need to bring its A game to the iPhone 14 Pro. And Apple appears to be doing just that with a rumored new 48MP new camera and a powerful new A16 Bionic chip that the regular iPhone 14 will not get. Overall, the iPhone 14 versus iPhone 14 Pro differences could be the biggest we have seen in many years. Tipster John Prosser has published many renders based on leaked information which reveal possible big changes for the iPhone 14 Pro. Prosser's renders show triple camera setup at the back. The raised camera array is back and even bigger on the iPhone 14 Pro. The new phones are also rumored to be a little thicker than the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. According to reliable Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, this new larger module is needed to house a 48MP camera. Perhaps the most notable design change for the iPhone 14 Pro is the removal of the infamous display notch. Display analyst Ross Young expects Apple to offer a pill-shaped cutout for Face ID along with the punch hole, so there would be two cutouts. In short, no big changes for the standard model but a big shift for the Pro phones. And a fresh set of iPhone 14 Pro renders based on schematics really do a good job at showing off what the evolved design could look like in metal and glass. One of the biggest upgrades of the iPhone 13 Pro was a 120Hz dynamic refresh rate display. Thanks to the use of an LTPO panel, the screen could go from 120Hz to 10Hz, and that helped save on battery life. Many people are saying that the iPhone 14 Pro will finally get an always-on display and it will be used to show weather, calendars, stocks, activities and other data on the lock screen. Finally, a report from Bloomberg suggests that the iPhone 14 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max will see an upgrade for their OLED display quality. The report says that Samsung Display will use its older series of OLED displays for the 6.1-inch iPhone 14 and the 6.7-inch iPhone 14 Plus. But the newer generation of M12 series displays will be reserved only for the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. All in all, we are getting some amazing changes to the Pro version of the iPhone 14. And that's all we have for now. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one.